Today I'll show you how to swap your Bitcoin for Solana, even if you're using Phantom Wallet. It's not a direct process, but I'll walk you through an easy way to get it done. Alright, so let's go. Phantom Wallet doesn't currently support direct BTC to Solana swaps. That's because Bitcoin runs on a completely different blockchain. So we'll need to use other platforms or bridges to make this happen. The easiest way is by using a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. You just send your BTC to the exchange, trade it for Solana, and then send that Solana to your Phantom Wallet. It's quick and beginner-friendly, especially if you already have an account. So first, go ahead and open up any of the exchanges you're using. In my case, it's Binance, so I'm going to open that up. From there, I need to get some Solana. Right now, I've got some funds in Bitcoin, so I'll swap that for Solana real quick. And now that I have the Solana in my exchange account, we can send it over to the Phantom Wallet. To do that, just open Phantom and copy your Solana wallet address. Then head back to Binance and withdraw the Solana to that address. And that's really all there is to it. Super simple. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.